So fellow viewers or Dandy's World fans, for real, you're asking me, so not asking me, I'm just doing this little tutorial how to do a twisted yatta. It's head only. So alright. That was just a sneeze. I used this 768 by 1024. So let's do this. First, we need to do the outline of every part. You can add the third one here, and then that here. There. Or more like that. Then do the head. You can add it custom if you're bad at drawing circles, but I'm just gonna make it that. Add one there. One there. Wait, I kind of forgot this part, but it's basically like this. Not kind of. Let me just look and yeah. I swear I hate this. So I did the thing, but I think it was supposed to be like that. If you've done all of these, you can just make this. I made it like that, like a half circle thing, but if you want to, you can also make it like this. Like this. It's gonna look like if you do that. It's not that complicated. Now the eyes. First I will suggest the mouth because it's a little bit easy to do. If you want to be a bit more styled, you can just put two teeth like a vampire. But I suggest on the edges the teeth need to be larger. And then that. And then that. I know you're saying, this is not all, this is just the normal yatta. No, because of the teeth. Huh? What are you saying? Like, I'm gonna put the areas where it's gonna be supposed to be. I say it eacher. what you like. Wait, I almost forgot that and that. We need those. Then that. Then we're gonna color in with black with ichor. And I probably suggest the newcomers to use make a layer 2 to color in everything. But if you're bad at art, maybe this is the video for you. So why? I don't know. I love making tutorials on how I make these. I'm a probably newcomer because this is my first drawing that I'd ever posted. So let's make it letter 2. Letter 2 letter 2 on the bottom, and it's letter 1. Now I suggest you need to do like this part. If you're a little bit advanced and don't know how to draw yatta, this is the video if you wanted. And then if you're done, I suggest you draw this first. It's a little bit simple to color in. If you don't have time like I do, I'm just gonna, if I was you, don't use the bucket tool. Just color it in. And then you're saying, I just realized, it looks like this is the body. You can use a lighter or a darker one if you want to literally make it darker. Like, I'm not complaining, but you need to change it to not make it seem this is the body. So let's change it like to a darker tone. This. If if you want to, you can also add shadings. If you want and knows how to fix shadings, you can use dark. What I've done with this, I forgot this to make it look like it's like this. So let's add a pink. Actually, darker shade of pink. Well, I think it's very perfect. And again, a darker shade. You're wondering why I left a little space. That is for the pink parts. You know how long this takes. Let's just... I think it was something like this. But you're wondering why I'm drawing Yara, because I got her. Well, I can just do this. But no. Since it's Easter, I'm gonna make another video. Yeah. Right now. Well, just have everything but you're noticing. I'm just looking for some. Here is missing. I think it's done. What do you say? Now it's here. Wait, say. Forgot it. This is normal Yara, but I'm just gonna add the eyes and then it's gonna be perfect. Everything is done now. The eyes. First is that. If I suggest you also can take that. I would not miss the single detail. And it's the eyes. You're wondering, what? You're already done. Nah. Alright. And now you have it. Twisted yatta. If you want to, you can add a gray background. And voila! Yatta. You have. So, what are you waiting? Huh? Bye!